Does your Philips TV turn on with sound but leave you staring at a black screen? Don't panic, you're not alone, and you don't need to spend money on a repair just yet. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 easy troubleshooting steps you can try right now at home. And the best part is, you won't need to open the TV. The first thing to try is a basic power reset. Unplug your Philips TV from the wall outlet and wait at least 60 seconds. This gives the TV time to fully shut down and clear any temporary glitches. After the minute is up, plug it back in and power it on. It may sound simple, but this quick reset often brings the picture back immediately. If that doesn't work, let's go a little deeper with a hard reset using the TV's physical power button. Unplug the TV again, then find the button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for about 30 seconds. Release it, wait another 30 seconds, then plug the TV back in and turn it on. This drains any leftover electricity inside the circuits, and it can fix issues that a basic unplug can't solve. If the screen is still black but you can hear sound, the backlight might be the problem. The backlight is what lights up the images on your screen, and when it fails, you'll hear sound but only see darkness. To check, make the room dark and turn your TV on. Use a flashlight or the torch on your phone and shine it close to the screen at an angle. If you notice faint images or movement, that means your TV is working, but the backlight isn't turning on. If you do see that, let me know in the comments. It's a clear sign your backlight may need professional repair.
Before we go that far, let's check your external connections. Disconnect everything from the back of the TV except the power cable. That means all HDMI, USB, and other devices should be unplugged. Turn the TV back on and see if the screen works. If it does, one of those devices or cables was causing the issue. Plug them back in one by one to find out which one is the culprit. If none of this works, try a factory reset. Look for a small pinhole labeled reset on the sides or back of your TV. Straighten a paperclip, press it into the hole, and hold it for about 15 seconds until the TV restarts. This takes your Philips TV back to its original settings, which can clear out software errors that cause black screen problems.
If you've tried all these steps and your screen is still black, the problem may be with internal hardware like the backlight or the T-Con board. At that point, it's best to call a qualified technician rather than trying to fix it yourself. To help prevent future issues, make sure your TV has good ventilation so it doesn't overheat, keep it plugged into a stable power outlet, and check for firmware updates in the settings from time to time. That's it for this video on fixing a Philips TV with sound but no picture. Hopefully one of these steps helped you get your screen working again without needing expensive repairs. If it did, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. It might help someone else watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and hit subscribe if you want more quick, money-saving tech fixes you can do at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.